Hello students, as you know, in last two videos we have completed both the systems of numeration. So today we will continue our chapter 1 only with the question number 3. Write the place value and face value of underlined digits. Students, what is the place value and face value? Listen, place value means the value of the digit according to its position in the given number. See first question A part. Here one number is given 5,07,836. In this number 8 digit is underlined. So now we have to check what is the position of 8 in the given number. To check the position, we will read places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So बच्चे, according to the position of 8, it is on the 100 place. So बच्चे, its position is 100. According to its position, place value becomes 800. Next is the face value. Face value of any digit in the number is the digit itself. Means same digit will be there. See, now same question. Now next we have to find here face value of 8 digit only. So बच्चे, according to definition of face value, here will be same digit. So 8 is the answer only. See one more question B part. Here number is given 6,93,482. So बच्चे, according to the place value we have to check the position of 9 digit because here 9 digit is underlined. Okay, so ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place and 10,000 place. बच्चे, 9 is coming on the 10,000 place. So according to position of 9, place value of 9 becomes 90,000. Now face value means the same digit only. So that's why its answer coming 9. One important thing is there, place value of 0 digit is always 0. Now see the next question, question number 4. Write the expanded form. बच्चे, expanded form means a number is written as the sum of place values of each digit in the given number. See, here a number is given 4,76,321. So we have to write all the places with the plus sign. See here, first of all we will write the place value of the digit 4. It becomes 4 lakh. Then plus 7's place value is 70,000 plus next is a 6 number. So 6 digit की place value 6,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. So this is called the expanded form. Now question number 5. Write in standard form or short form. बच्चे, in this question statement will be given in the expanded form. As you can see here it is 2 lakh plus 4,000 plus 200 plus 5. So we can call this form expanded form. So now we have to change this question in short form. Short form means we have to add all these numbers. In solution, first of all we will arrange all the statements one by one. After that we will add these all the numbers. Start from the last column now. In the last column all are zeros, but when we will add 0 with 5, then 5 will come. In the next column 0 only. In the next column 2 will come. In the next column 0 plus 4, that is 4. In the next column 0. In the next column 2. So बच्चे, short form answer becomes 2,04,205. Next we will do question number 6. Form the smallest and greatest 5-digit number by using the given digits. Here digits are already given in the statement only. Digits are 4, 0, 2, 8, 6. First of all बच्चे, we will see how many digits we need. According to the statement we need 5 digits. Now let me check how many digits are given here. Count these digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 digits are given and 5 digits only we need. So now it is very easy to write the smallest and greatest 5-digit number. Let me see the solution. First of all we need to write here smallest number. To write the smallest number, arrange all the given digits in ascending order. See here, which number is the smallest digit? Here is 0 is the smallest, but बच्चे we can't start a number with 0. Front side we can't write 0, so we will write the next smallest number in the first place. Check here which number is the next smallest after 0. 2 is the smallest, so we will write 2 in the first place and 0 on the second place. Next number will come 4 and next is coming 6 and next last will come 8, because we have to arrange all the digits in ascending order. So बच्चे here smallest 5 digit number becomes 20,468. We can check here by counting कि digits are 5 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are completed. So just we have to arrange in ascending order when we have to make smallest number. See next we will make here greatest number. बच्चे in greatest number we will arrange all the given digits in a descending order. In descending order, first of all we have to find here biggest number. So here check which digit is the biggest digit in the given digits only, that is 8. So we will write 8 at the first place. On the next place we will write 6. Third place we will arrange 4. Next place will be 2 and last will be 0. So greatest number becomes here 86,420. Like this it is very easy. Now see one more question. Question number 7. Form the smallest and greatest 7-digit number by using the given digits. Here digits are given 6, 2, 0, 8, 4. As we check in the first question, according to the statement, how many digits are given? Same we will check in the 7th question. But here we need 7 digits. Now count the given digits are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here only 5 digits are given, but we need 7 digits. Here 2 digits are less. So we can repeat the given digits 2 times. Now let we see how we can repeat the digits. See solution. In first we will make smallest number. But when we have to make smallest number, as you already know, in the smallest number we are arranging all the given digits in ascending order. So for the ascending order, smallest digit will come at the first place. Here smallest digit is 0, but we can't start a number with 0 digit. So next smallest number we will write in the first place. Next is 2. So we will start number with 2. After that on second place we will write 0. As we done upper side, same we will do here. But students, we count here digits. Our 2 digits are less. So we will repeat smallest digit in the smallest number. Here smallest digit is 0. So we will write 0 2 times. We will repeat it. Okay. That's why I show here with the different color. We will repeat it 0 2 times. Next we will write 4. Next we will write 6 and then 8. Now we can count these numbers. Digits are 7 or not, because we need here 7 digit na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now our 7 digits are completed. So this is the 7 digit smallest number. Same we will do in the greatest number. See now greatest number. But in the greatest number we will repeat greatest digit. Now check here which digit is greatest. 8. So in greatest number we will arrange all the digits in descending order. So first of all we will start with the greatest digit only. Greatest digit is 8. So we will repeat here 8 2 times. Then given 8, after that 6, then 4, then 2 and at the last 0. Now we will count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here digits are 7. So bache, this is the 7 digit greatest number answer. Thank you students.